Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Thursday, November 22nd, U.S. Thanksgiving holiday in the United States. So again, happy Thanksgiving to all our American viewers. As is tradition on U.S. Thanksgiving, millions of U.S. families are gathered around their TV screens to see the AGORACOM TV. Okay, maybe not. Maybe they gather around and watch the Macy's Day Parade and then watch my Dallas Cowboys later this afternoon. We've got 5 great press releases for you, all out of the TSX Venture Exchange, obviously because U.S. markets are closed, but they are great press releases. Let's start you off first with Sonomax Hearing Healthcare, trades on the venture under the stock symbol SHH. This is the 4th time we're reporting on this company, but they just keep on reporting greater and greater news. Today they've announced a partnership with Virgin Entertainment Group to display some of their newest products in their 2 U.S. flagship stores in New York and Los Angeles early 2008. This is the retail launch in the U.S. of their custom-fit, high-fidelity earphones. These are for use with MP3 players, cellular, Bluetooth, gaming, and a wide variety of other audio devices. How big is this space? Global sales of entertainment and communication devices that require inner ear applications are now approaching 500 million units per year. By 2010, that's expected to get over 1 billion. And think about it, that's natural. MP3 players, cell phones, you name it. We know that that business is just going off. Well, earphone sales currently tracking at 40% of MP3 devices. So if earphone sales are tracking at 40% of all these devices, this is a huge market for Sonomax. What I really like about this company is today you had Virgin Entertainment. We first started coverage of this company back on September 12th, and since then we've reported sales, pretty significant sales to the following: Rio Tinto, Alcan Europe, and the military personnel in Iraq through a distributor, through a U.S. Army distributor. So Sonomax obviously has great technology. I've got a quote here from Dee McLaughlin, who's a vice president of marketing at Virgin Entertainment. The 60-day program will tell us a great deal about the receptiveness of consumers to a device that provides them with a high-quality sound as well as long-wearing comfort due to the precision of Sonomax's expansion technology. It's in line with our mission to bring Virgin Megastore customers the best in entertainment technology. So obviously Sonomax is playing a big part here in what Virgin Entertainment is trying to do. Looks like it's a 60-day trial, so let's look for where this is going to be 60 days from now. Currently trading at 36 cents. We started reporting on the company on September 12th at 27 cents. I like what this company is reporting. Take a closer look at Sonomax. Next up, Clearford, also naturally trades on the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol CLI. They announced a record 3rd quarter revenue, $8.3 million, highest in the company's history. Net income, $185,000 or 1 cent per share. Consolidated for the first 9 months, revenue came in at $17.9 million. Net loss was $2.67 million. They did have some one-time recurring expenses in there. Bruce Linton, President and CEO of the company, stated the following: we have a strong pipeline of sales opportunities for our wastewater division. We know how big that's going to be given what's going on in the environment. We expect revenue and contribution from that division in the 4th quarter and throughout 2008. The market for infrastructure remains strong. We know that. And we remain confident that this segment of the market will provide both of our operating divisions with significant growth potential. That is true from a marketplace point of view. Now it just comes down to whether Clearford can actually execute on that opportunity. When you see record revenues of $8.3 million for a quarter, they're obviously off to a good start. Now, they're trading at 25 cents. That's pretty much at their 52-week low, where they, the high for the year is 70 cents. So you may want to take a look, make sure there weren't any one-time negative events. Otherwise, Clearford looks like it's on a clear path. Going over to the resources sector, Halo Resources trades on the TSX Venture under the stock symbol HLO. In the U.S., HLOSF, and for our viewers in Germany on the Frankfurt Exchange under HRL, they reported a preliminary 43-1-1 compliant resource report for their Jungle Lake deposit. This is a copper zinc deposit in Manitoba. They did this to substantiate the historical resource reported for the deposit, and resources have been classified as both indicated and inferred, naturally. Looks like Jungle Lake is probably going to be mined as a combination of both open pit and underground methods. Here are the numbers. Indicated resources, total tonnage 1.325 million tons, overall grade 1.17% copper, 0.85% zinc, and precious metal credits. On the inferred resource side, you got 2.177 million tons, overall grade 1.1% copper, 0.67% zinc, and precious metal credits. Tom Healy, Senior VP, CEO of the company. The resource estimate reinforces our confidence in historical estimates that were carried out almost 50 years ago and highlights the open pit potential mining operations at Jungle Lake and other known deposits, trading at 46 cents. Again, near the bottom end of the 52-week trading range. Might be some value here. Take a closer look at Halo. Rambler Metals making a repeat performance. TSX Venture Exchange RAB, as well as for our UK viewers on the AIM under the stock symbol RMM. They're announcing their latest drill intersection from an ongoing surface drilling program, and it's their largest intersection on the 1807 zone to date. Hole 20H return, listen to this, 45.93 feet of 5.9% copper with 1.5 grams of gold per ton. That includes, within that intersect, 11.32 feet of 16.5% copper, 3.3 grams of gold per ton, and 3.0 feet of 21.6% copper. These are big numbers with 4.4 grams of gold per ton. Mineralization in the 20H, in the 1807 20H there, is the thickest and deepest intersection drilled to date. It's going to play a key role as Rambler embarks on a 43-101 resource estimate calculation. Naturally, George Ogilvy, VP COO, got a quote from him. Superb intersection that supports management's belief that significant mineralization on the 1807 zone will be found to the west and downplunge of existing holes. Importantly, the 1807 zone remains open, presenting further opportunity to duplicate or even improve upon the grades and widths. It's trading at $1.26. Nice news there. Finally, Canadian Shield Resources trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol CSP. They are an AGORACOM client. Keep a lookout. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We don't know. But they were halted yesterday. Pending news from the company. They at the halt, they're trading at 19 cents. Keep your eyes open for news out of the company at any time. That's a wrap for the day. As always, we're going to post these notes to our blog. If you want to come by and take a closer look, review these, or replay the show, go right ahead. In case you missed any of our notes, if you want to drop by the blog, add some due diligence, do that as well. Otherwise, if you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Over 75 companies divided by industry and exchange, so you can find the ones best suited for your portfolio. Happy Thanksgiving to all of our American friends, and good luck to the Dallas Cowboys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.